So I'll be showing you how to enable developer options on your Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So simply go to settings. Under settings, on the left hand side, scroll all the way down to about tablet, tap on that. And then under that, go to software information, tap on that, and then look for build number. So let's find build number. Here it is. You want to tap on build number about 7 times. Then it's going to ask you allow developer settings, tap OK, and developer mode is now enabled. And now you can be able to scroll under about tablet and see the new option called developer options. And once you tap on it, these are all your developer options. It's really that simple. So if there's something you're looking for in the developer options, this is it. This is where to look and check for anything you're looking for. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.